Core TV is the flagship of Core Productions Incorporated, the emerging brands of the micro, small, medium enterprises or the MSMEs. These are the 816,759 commercial names, naming up the 99.6% of the country's total business establishments. And we are the first lifestyle channel that is dedicated to the grassroots glamour and neo-massa brands in Ilocos Sur. We pioneered in the Ilocos region and now focus our vision to represent the country's MSMEs to empower, enlighten, and engage. We are one of the organizations staying to empower the local talents and communities by creating feedback-oriented programs for the new massa. Our advocacy lies in promoting the province's beauty, culture, and community-based programs through partnerships with Ihawan sa Kawayan, Nueva Segovia Consortium Cooperatives, Hayden Garden, Az's Food House, who are successful in their chosen field. We are one of the advocate groups centered to enlighten the audience with shows that are packed with fresh and relevant ideas, creative and unique angles, competent and techno-savvy approaches which are at par with our national and international media partners. Our audience expands the Visayas and Mindanao regions to break and cross the boundaries of provincial advertising through rates and packages targeted to the businesses of the neo-massa and grassroots glamour brands. We are an enterprise too. We engage the company's philosophy, strive to thrive in every living traditions that we highlight. For the platform of our brands, the 7 years of TV commercials were geared to the brilliance of Luzon and the outskirts of the provinces. The next TV shows are integration with the new masses in stamping the thresholds of their business enterprises. The glamour from the grassroots level is our collaboration for the advertisements and supporting commercial establishments. This is our core. We are here to stay. We are at our center. Core TV is staying centered.